All right guys, we're working our butts off on the Audi to get it ready for LS Fest, which is coming up fast. And shortly thereafter is gonna be our open house on September 19th in Dunnville. It's a free event, a great place to meet us, a couple other big YouTubers, people like Shifted Interest and Pistonhead Productions. Speed Academy is gonna be there. And one other guy's gonna be there with a couple of his buddies. It's a free event, but we'd like to kind of gauge how many people are coming. We are gonna be selling limited edition t-shirts for doing some pre-sales. We'll also have posters there as well. We won't be shipping them online anywhere. You'll have to pick them up in Dunnville where the event is. Helps kind of cover the venue and the porta potties and whatever else, the food trucks. We won't have anything at my place here, absolutely not. They're a limited edition run. You won't be able to get these anywhere else. Grab your t-shirt, there'll be food trucks there. It's gonna be a great time, September 19th. Put it in your calendar, you're not gonna wanna miss this one. Dang, that other guy's gonna be really upset I forget his name.
Alan! 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 Ja, dat hier,